Millennium Culture Breakfast Show, and do be part of the conversation because we're streaming live on Facebook. It is Millennium TV Zambia. Well, as I mentioned earlier, that we'll be having some statisticians, Well, Grace, good morning and welcome to the program once again.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. I mean, it's been weeks. You haven't been present. We have been missing the numbers.
No, we're here with some good news.
Yeah? Some good news.
Some good news.
Despite being the campaign.
No, we got some good news.
Wonderful. Guys, we are eager to hear that good news and just run us through the numbers and the good news.
Okay, good. So our market closed last week. That's week ended 19th of June on a positive note. Our LuSE All Share Index, it increased by 0.27%. So yes, while people are a little bit more careful with the tickers that they're choosing to invest in, we're still seeing overall positive sentiments. Trading activity strengthened during the week. A total of 3,871 trades were executed. That's a 7.5% increase from the previous week. Trading volume also increased significantly. We traded 50.96 million shares, up from 860,154 shares in the previous week. So Clapton Reinsurance was the outright winner. There was quite a lot of activity around that one. And most excitedly, what we're most excited about, Airtel also crossed the $1 billion valuation mark. This was obviously on the 8th of June. But we rang the bell last week, Tuesday, and we're very excited about that because we now have 4 companies that are worth over $1 billion. So that's something to be very excited about. And it showed in the number of trades. So Clapton Reinsurance led the market with a turnover of 17.54 million kwacha, accounting for approximately 51% of total kwacha-denominated turnover. .com Zambia also did a very good showing last week. Their turnover was 10.38 million kwacha, representing 30.2% of turnover. And then, of course, our latest unicorn, Airtel, contributed 4.06 million kwacha, which is 11.8% of trades. So collectively, these 3 counters accounted for over 93% of the total market turnover during the week. And investor interest was very clearly skewed towards Clapton Insurance, and we hope that will continue throughout the week. In terms of dollar-denominated market, it was rather subdued. Real estate investment Zambia USD recorded only 39 trades, which is 9,954 shares, generating a turnover of just 874.63 kwacha, which is a little bit lower than the previous week. They had 52 trades, which was representing 31,787 shares. As far as price movements, because I know a lot of people are interested to see what's going on there, Zafico was the standout performer. It gained 22.66%. It opened the week at 6 kwacha 53 ngwe and closed at 8 kwacha 8.01 kwacha, sorry, making it the best performing stock of the week. So we're very excited to see what's going on with Zafico. And as far as our decliners, Zanaco once again had a little bit of a dip. It opened at 9.57 and closed at 9.55. Zamefa also opened at 51.99 and closed at 51.73. CEC opened at 16.85 and closed at 16.84. Bata opened at 9.01 and closed at 9 kwacha. So overall, the market exhibited improved liquidity and stronger investor participation during the week, and this was reflected in the sharp increases in volume and turnover. While price movements remained relatively subdued across most counters, the strongest or standout performance was from Zafico, and we're very happy to see increased trading activity in Clapton and Zambia. So overall, it was quite a good week, and we're looking forward to seeing more good news.
You did. Well, quite some interesting numbers. But once again, just run us through how can one buy shares? What does it mean to buy shares? What does it mean to be a shareholder in a company? Because many of the times that people have asked, if a share is about 10 kwacha, how worth is it? If I'm a shareholder, even if I buy 50 shares, I'm going to be able to make money by the end of maybe when about the monies, the shares here and there. But what does it mean to be a shareholder?
First of all, being a shareholder is a great way of you owning a part of some of the best performing companies in Zambia. When you're a shareholder, you actually have a say in what happens in the business. So being a shareholder is a sense of pride. It's also adding to your net worth, and that's very important. The best way for you to get started, we've made it easier than ever. You can download the LuSE mobile app. So when you go to your Play Store, for those of you who use iPhone, you can also check from your and then you'll be for LuSE mobile app. There, you'll be able to create your account and trading. So it's as easy as that. Just have your ID and have at least a 10 kwacha to get you started.
That it can get you started.
Yes.
Interesting, really interesting. Well, Grace, thank you so much. Otherwise, it's really exciting that you're back in studios and giving us the statistics. It's been quite some time now.
It has, but we're back.
Yeah, otherwise, thank you so much, and this is where we just come to the end of the stock market update.
Thank you so much.
Right, dear viewers, that was the stock market update with Grace. Of course, she was giving us the statistics of how the market has performed and what it means to be a shareholder. But we take a very short break. On the other side, I'll be back with the story pick segment. Do stay tuned.